step by step how to draw a tree. Observe the steps carefully, draw and color the tree accordingly. I think you must have seen many trees: coconut tree, palm tree, mango tree, apple tree. Well, the trees have different shapes, sizes. Some are tall, some are short, some are very broad, some are very thin, like the coconut tree. But the tree here seems to be like maybe a normal, ordinary tree, could be a mango tree. We don't know because it's a simple tree. So, how to draw this simple tree? The first step is given to you. So, what you do is you connect these dotted lines, okay, to form the top of the tree. Look at the second step. All that they have done is added a bit more curved lines to complete the top and the middle portion of the tree. And if you look at the third step, all they have done is added a few more curvy lines to complete the body of the tree. So what else is there? Yes, in the fourth step we shall add the trunk of the tree. So if you look at it carefully, the trunk of the tree is what supports the tree. We need to preserve and save our trees. See, now we draw the roots and the base of the tree. Okay. Then we add in a bit more details, like some more indication of leaves. Just curved lines, small curved lines will give you the indication that there are many leaves on the trees. Okay. And then the last step is to color the tree. You may color the tree giving a bit, more dimensions, adding a lot of tonal values. Just not the flat green color. You may add a bit of yellow, dark green, light green, and your tree will look very real. And look at the trunk. The trunk too has some details. What are these details? These are the texture, or the veins of the trunk, which will make it look more real. Yes, here is your tree. It's all drawn, and now you may proceed to color it.